Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So in my last vlog, I unboxed a huge box from purple.com. I happened to order some makeup products from purple.com and I promised to give a mini haul and review to you guys. So here I am doing the same. Without further ado, let's get started. Everything is from the brand NY Bay and I just wanted to try out some affordable products because it is a really affordable brand. It fits in every girl's pocket. So I thought, why not give it a try? For the disclaimer, I would like to say that I am in no way going to do any makeup related content on my channel. That's a huge no-no for me. There are several reasons for that. First of all, I am not very skilled makeup artist, and there are so many great makeup artists out there on YouTube. And unke samne, I don't feel like I am the one who should be giving any makeup tips to you guys. But I do purchase quite a few things when it comes to makeup, and I decided to do this review because I was not really happy with what I received. My expectations were here, and the reality was nowhere near. So I thought I should share this experience with you guys. So the first thing, let's talk about the packaging of products. The packaging of all the products is plain black. I don't know. This brand was promoted as the most popular brand of New York and now coming to India, and like a luxury brand but affordable. But the packaging doesn't speak that. It's just like, for instance, let's talk about the liquid foundation that I ordered from NYB. This is the one, and this is the product I received. And now see, it's just it's the plain bottle, and I'm completely confused about the fact how am I going to use this. There's no dropper. There's no I mean there's this. I mean, what kind of packaging is that? How am I supposed to use this? It's so like I don't know what to say. Even the fake Lakme wala jo foundation आता है that you get in local shops, वो भी एक proper spatula के साथ आता है, which is easy to use. Now this kind of packaging just now coming to the performance of this liquid foundation. So I'm in the shade Warm Honey, and I was skeptical while choosing the shade because कभी कभी गड़बड़ हो जाता है फाउंडेशन का शेड चूज करने में, बट फॉर्चुनेटली आई पिक द करेक्ट शेड. But I didn't really like the texture of this product. It does not blend in completely. It sometimes looks patchy. I don't know. I have used a lot of other foundations and they were easy to blend, and ये patchiness वाला problem मुझे कभी हुआ नहीं. But with this, I failed to blend it anyway. I was not really happy with the product. Also, I will just list out the prices of the products on screen as I talk about the product. Next thing that I ordered was the HD Spotless Liquid Concealer, and this one I picked in shade Peanut Butter Pretzel. Now the concealer comes in this type of packaging, and which I was happy about. This was a little bit more convenient, and about the product also, I was quite satisfied because it is easy to blend. It does hide the acne marks and dark circles, but it's not full coverage. It is not at all full coverage. it is only meant for like a little bit of coverage for daily use अगर आपके बहुत ज़्यादा spots नहीं, because I have used it on my face and I'm not sure if you're able to tell or not, but you can still see my dark spots. I have two very pigmented dark spots on my face, one right here and one on my forehead. So I was not able to hide those. Next is now let's talk about the lipsticks. So I ordered two lipsticks, one in the shade Chic Camilla 6 and second is Peppy Pearson 1. I hope I'm taking the names right. I was really expecting some packaging की तो बात ही नहीं करते, it's just plain boring. आई वॉज नॉट रियली एक्सपेक्टिंग कि बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल ब्रांड है, इतने प्राइस में क्या ही वो बहुत अमेजिंग सी पैकेजिंग दे देंगे, बट स्टिल इट्स ओके ओके ओके. Now coming to the lipstick, now you see uh, I received this lipstick like this and I'm not sure what is this stuff on this. मैं तो रिटर्न ही करना चाहती थी, बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस पैंडेमिक आई डिसाइडेड टू जस्ट कीप इट एंड आई ट्राई टू रिमूव इट, बट इट्स जस्ट नॉट, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ झाग जैसा भी नहीं है, इट्स लाइक अ सॉलिड स्टफ and I'm scared to use it on my lips. I don't know what it is. And I was really excited to use this color. ये बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है, बट आई एम स्केर्ड, ये पता नहीं क्या है. एंड द अदर प्रॉब्लम विद दिस लिपस्टिक इज जस्ट सी. So the first time I removed the lid of this lipstick, it came out like this. And I tried to fix it. Now this one I have used and I like the color. For a person like me who any which ways purchase so less makeup, I want wherever I put my money, I receive good quality products. But with NY Bay, which was actually propagated as a very popular brand in New York and now coming to India, and also affordable in your budget friendly, it is of course affordable, but what is the use of buying cheap products if they are not good quality? उससे अच्छा है कि मैं एक बार में महंगा प्रोडक्ट लेके रखूंगी एंड आई विल बी एटलीस्ट हैप्पी कि मैंने अपना पैसा कहीं अच्छी जगह लगाया, विच इज एक्चुअली गिविंग मी गुड रिजल्ट्स. नाउ कमिंग टू eyeliner. So I purchased two eyeliners. One is this plain black, matte black. So I'm okay with this liner. It's too liquidy for my preference, but it's okay. The brush for my liking is a little bit thick because I am someone who has really big eyes and I like to go very thin with my eyeliner. I do not like very thick eyeliner. So the second eyeliner that I purchased was in the color blue, and iska bottle I really like. But then again, when I'm like opening this bottle, it does not feel like a luxury brand. And now coming to the brush. Now, if you can see the quality of brush, how am I supposed to ace my eyeliner? थिन आईलाइनर की तो बात ही छोड़ दो, एक नॉर्मल आईलाइनर भी, आई डिड नॉट लाइक द क्वालिटी ऑफ द ब्रश. इट्स लाइक blunt. So the last items that I am supposed to show you are the kajals. So I ordered two kajals. One is in the color white and one is in the color blue. Now, this is how I received it. If you are able to tell the dent on, at this point I totally gave up on the packaging, क्योंकि I think every product has a packaging problem and I totally gave up कि packaging तो अच्छी मिलनी नहीं है इस brand से. And the other problem, see, I'll show you the one I haven't even used yet, and this is how I received it. It's like a cheap quality pencil now. It's chipping out from here. And this one is what I'm wearing right now. The main thing that I saw on the kajal was it was listed as smudge proof kajals. But let me tell you, these are not smudge proof. Even I'm wearing the blue kajal right now, and I have cleared my under eye more than 2 3 times. It's already smudging. I don't know how is it smudge proof. See, it is written water resistant, smudge proof, but it is not smudge. So, as I was talking about the kajal being smudge proof, you can clearly see that it has already smudged. This is a problem that I never faced with Faces Canada's kajal, and it just stays in place for as long as I want it. जब तक मैं उसे वॉश नहीं करती हूँ तब तक it stays there. But इसके साथ you can clearly see it has like I have blinked a few times and अभी इसको आधा घंटा भी नहीं हुआ है लगाए हुए एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी लाइक कमिंग ऑफ सो दैट वाज व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू so yeah, all in all, I felt that I quite wasted my money, and I would have rather put my money in some expensive products and bought those and be like carefree for a year and a half. For me, it was a thumbs down for each and every product. एक भी कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं है which stands out and I could give a good review about it. Apart from like the lipstick का payoff, but उसके साथ अलग ही problem थी. I don't know why. If you want really want to try something from NYB, you could go for the concealer. It was something that I was quite happy about. Otherwise, everything is like bad. So that was it for my review. Also, I want to remind you that I am planning to do a huge giveaway on my channel as soon as I hit 1K subscribers. Kitna bolu, please subscribe कर दो ना, please, please. So yeah, hit the thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified the next time I post a video here. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.